Hi, friends. Hello, hello, hello. Ooh, that's yummy. Oh, you are in for a super awesome treat just like this. I am here with my friend Rose. Rose is very excited. She doesn't even want pets. I'm here for Hanukkah with the pigs. Who's celebrating Hanukkah? Me. And apparently Rose is too. Look at this. We made yummy potato latkes for the pigs. And we made these pig-friendly recipe. So look at this. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Oh, yummy. Look at that. She's so excited. These latkes are just made from potatoes, apples, and flaxseed. We made a flax egg, which is just flaxseed and water, and it acts like an egg, and no chickens had to be harmed. So, oh yes, let's put some applesauce on this one for her. Here we go. We're gonna get some applesauce on there. Ooh, yummy. Look at this potato latke with applesauce for Hanukkah for our pig friends. Here you go, sweetheart. Listen. I love listening to pigs eat. Let's go give some to our other friends. Follow me. I know that Rose is definitely going to be following me. But let's come visit Sweetpea because I know Sweetpea is going to want some of these latkes too. Sabrina and I made them last night, and we made them special for the pigs. But also, if you want to make latkes for your friends that are dogs, you can feed these to dogs. These are also dog friendly. So let's see. Oh, hello, Sweetpea. Look at this. I've got yummy latkes for you. Do you think she's going to like latkes? Look at that. Poppy's in there, too. I'm going to give one to my friend. Here you go. Look. Ooh, yummy. Oh, that's so good. Here you go, Poppy. Come on out. Come on out, friends. Look, I've got more. Yeah. I know. Look at this. Rose is like, I want all of them. Here, let's get you some applesauce for your latkes. Here we go. Ooh, this one's for Poppy. Poppy hasn't had any. Sabrina, come on the other side of me so we can see their faces. So you can see my back and their faces. Look at this. Okay, here we go. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Poppy's so excited. And they think Sabrina's got the latkes. Look, I got the latkes. I got the latkes. Look, look, come here. Come here. There you go. Oh, yum. Here's another one for you. Oh, so good. Who wants some more latkes? I know. Hanukkah is fun. Just like people, everybody loves to eat lots and lots of latkes. So we brought enough latkes for all of our friends. We brought enough latkes for everybody to share, even though sometimes pigs don't share very well with eating. So we want to make sure that everybody has latkes. Wait. Look. Here we go. Here, this is for Poppy. Okay, we don't need to fight. So, I've got latkes for everybody. Here you go. Oh, yummy, yum, yum. Okay, there we go. And this is going to be the last one for you. I got to go give some to Heart Pig. Let's go give Heart Pig a latke. Look at her over here. Okay, all right. Woo, Hanukkah is fun. Who knew feeding pigs latkes was going to be so much fun? Hi, sweet girl. Would you like a latke? Let's give her some latkes. Here you go. Here you go. Hi. Look. Yummy. Yum, yum. Oh, there you go. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's yummy. Okay. And we are off to the races. Look at that. That's how our pig friends eat latkes. And we're just going to put them out on the floor. And there you go. I want to make sure Poppy can get some of that too. Don't eat the Pyrex. There you go. Oh, yum, yum. Oh, wow. Well, that was a big hit. Here. Okay. Rose is opening her mouth. I want to give Heart Pig, sorry. Rose, Heart, here you go, sweet girl. There you go. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Here. Okay. There we go. Everybody's so excited for latkes. Well, friends, thank you so much for joining us. This has really been a real joy feeding latkes and applesauce to all of our pig friends. I'm Brandon. I'm Teacher Bando, and I've been live here at Pasado Safe Haven. I love you all. Happy Hanukkah, and we will see you later. Look at that. All gone. Happy Hanukkah, everybody.